Chapter 1. My name is Taras. I am old, 3,000 years old. I sit here under the palace of Knossos. My sister Akata sits next to me. She too is old, 3,000 years. We do not eat, we do not drink, and our eyes never close. Are we dead or alive? It is not important. We sit and we wait and we watch. For 3,000 years, we are the watchers. The God is here. The God Poseidon, God of the sea, stands here in this hall. We watch the statue. It is gold, all gold. He stands here, 5 meters tall. His arms are gold. His hair is gold. His face is gold. And his gold eyes shine in this dark hole. We are his watchers. Jim and Stella, his sister, are on holiday in Greece. They are staying at a hotel in Heraklion on Crete. They are talking to their friend Nikos. Nikos is a Cretan and lives near the palace of Knossos. What are we going to do tomorrow? Can we go to Knossos? Yes, why not? It's a very famous place and very, very old, about 3,000 or 4,000 years old. Yes, I'd like to. Stella, look at this. It's about Knossos. It's very interesting. Crete News, 10 August. Caves under Knossos, Heraklion, Crete. Under the famous palace of Knossos, there are many caves. Some of these caves are very big, and some are many, many meters under the ground. What is in these caves? Nobody knows. The caves are very dangerous. Next week, Yanis Papadakis is going too. We're going to find these caves, Stella. Are you coming with us, Nikos? But Jim. Yes, I'm coming with you. You can stay with me at my mother's house near Knossos. Good, we're going to need a lot of things. Lights and food and water. And we need... Yes, but it's okay. I can get everything. Jim, the caves are dangerous. Yes, but Nikos knows a lot about caves. Yes, I do, and I know the palace of Knossos very well. Don't forget, I work there. But do you know these caves under Knossos? No, I don't, but we're going to be careful. Oh, alright. When are we going? Tomorrow. Sometimes there are lights in these halls and music. The people from the palace come down here. They are small, quick people with dark eyes and dark hair. They bring lights and food and water, and they dance the dance of the god. They are the god's people. No, I forget. They do not come now. These halls are quiet, dark and quiet. It is always night now. There is no music, no dancing. There are no people in the palace now. Not after the fire and the water from the sea. They are dead, all dead. And we, Akata and I, sit in the hall of the god. We wait and we watch. We are the god's watcher. Chapter 2. The first day at the palace of Knossos. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Nikos is looking for the door to the caves. Jim and Stella are waiting for him. The sun is hot. I'm thirsty. I'm going to drink some water. Don't drink a lot. We need it in the caves. Have we got everything? I think so. The bags are very heavy. Jem, Stella, the door's here. Come on, we can go down now. Be careful. It's very dark. I can't see anything. Here, hold this light. We need all the lights now. Walk slowly and be very careful. Yes, I know. How many caves are there? This is the 10th cave now. I can see another one in front of us. A long one. I'm tired. I don't want to look at any more caves today. How about some food? I'm hungry. Yes, let's eat something and we can stay here for the night. Good. Where's the bag? The food is in there. How old are these caves, Nicholas? I don't know. 3,000 years? 4,000 years? Do many people come to these caves? Not many people. No, only the god Greek gods. The god Poseidon lives in the caves, some people say. The god Poseidon? There are no old gods in these caves. How do you know, Jim? The old Greek gods are only stories. You read about them in books. They're not important today. Oh, yes, they are. Don't laugh at them. And Poseidon is a dangerous god. All the books say that. He's a god of the sea and the god of earthquakes too. We have a lot of earthquakes in Greece. Don't forget that. Oh, Nikos, that's silly. The god of earthquakes? Everybody knows that earthquakes. No, Jim, Nikos is right. We don't understand everything. And don't laugh at Poseidon. Not here in these caves. The years come and the years go. 3,000 years. My sister Akita and I sit and wait. It is dark and cool in the hall of the god. The sun never shines here. Sometimes people come to these halls. They are not the god's people. They look for gold, only gold. And Poseidon is angry. It is the gold of his people. And now it is the god's gold because his people are dead. Nobody can take the god's gold or look at the gold face of the god and live. But there are no lights, no people now. Only the god Poseidon stands here in this dark hall. God of the blue sea, God of the green sea, God of this dark hall. We are his watchers. Chapter 3, The Second Day. Wake up, Stella. Good morning. Nikos. Morning? It's always night in these caves. What's the time? 7 o'clock. Are we going on or back? What do you think, Nikos? I don't know. Now many caves are there. 15, 20, I don't know, but we can look at the next or 2. Or 3 or 4 or 5. I know you, Jim. You want to see everything. This is the 14th cave, and this cave is big, very big. Look, this is a road. We're walking on a road. Yes, you're right. It's a very old road too. Look at these stones on the floor. They're thousands of years old. But whose road is it? And where does it go to? I don't know, but we can follow it. But it's 6 o'clock now. I think... Listen, I can hear water. Can you hear it? There's a river in front of us. We can get across a river. Oh, yes, we can. I don't want to go across. It's dangerous. No, it isn't. Come on, Stella. Stella's right. Rivers under the ground are dangerous, but... Listen, I can hear something. It's only the river, Stella. It's all right. We can go across the river and then we can stop and stay there for the night. Yes, we can make a fire and have some food. Listen, sister, do you hear anything? There are people at the river. They are talking and laughing. Listen, sister, they are coming here to the hall of the god. Why? Who are they? What do they want? Gold. They want gold. all people want gold. They cannot eat it, they cannot drink it, but the love of gold is in all men and women too. But they cannot take the God's gold. We are his watchers. We call the God and we say his name. Then the God wakes and he speaks. Chapter 4, the third day. When are we going to go back? This is the third day now. I don't like these caves. Why not, Estella? I don't know. I can hear something or someone. It's not the river. I want to go back, Nicholas. Yes, sometimes I can hear something too, but there's nobody in these caves, Stella. Only us. Let's look at one more cave. Then we can go back, okay? What's Jim doing? I don't know. He's looking at something. Jim, what are you? Hey, look at this. It's a bowl. A gold bowl. It's beautiful. Can I hold it for a minute? It's very heavy too. Look at all this gold. It is old, Nicholas? Yes, thousands of years old, I think. We can sell it. We can get a lot of money for this bowl. We can't do that. It's not ours. Whose it is then? I don't know, but it's not ours. Don't take it, Jim. Leave it here. No, I'm going to take it. It's ours now. Can you hear them, sister? They are near the hole now. Listen, they are looking for gold. Gold. All people want gold. Look at the next cave. Can you see it? It's huge. It's not a cave. It's a hole. A huge hole. Jim, Nicholas, don't go in there. Why not, Estella? I think someone is watching us. I don't like it. Why don't we go back, please? Who is watching us? We're the only people here. Stella, I don't know, but someone or something is watching us, and it doesn't like us. Don't be silly, Stella. Nothing is watching us. Come on. I can see them now. Sister, 2 men and a woman. They are young. 2 of them have blue eyes. They are not people from the palace. They are not the God's people. And they cannot come in here. They cannot take the God's gold. They cannot look at the face of the gold. Look at those statues here. They're very, very old. I don't like them. Look at their eyes. Come away, Stella. I can see something at the end of the hall. Look, what is it? It's tall, very tall. It's a statue, a huge statue. And it's shining. It's gold, all gold. Don't look at it. Don't go in there, please. Jim, please, it's dangerous. Stop him, Nicholas, stop him. They are looking into the hole now. Call the God. Now, sister, now, say the name of the God. They cannot come in. They cannot come in. Shh, be quiet for a minute. Wait, Jim, listen. Why? What's... Shh, I think Stella's right. There's something. Listen, Nicholas, what's that? Can you hear it? Oh, no. No, the ground is moving. It's an earthquake. There's going to be an earthquake. The stones are falling. Run! Run! Back to the river! Quick, Stella! Run! Run! We can't. The walls are falling. Everything is falling. We can't get out. We can't get out. Crete News, 14 August. Earthquake at Knossos. 3 young people are dead. Heraklion, Crete. Anna Stavros, mother of Nikos Stavros, says Nikos and his 2 English friends, Jem and Stella, are in the caves under the palace of Knossos. But where is the door to the caves? Nobody can find it now after the earthquake. My son and his friends cannot get out. They are dead. The god Poseidon, god of the sea, is angry. He speaks, and the ground moves, and the stones fall. But the god can sleep again now, sister. The men and the women are quiet. They cannot move. They lie under the stones. They hold the god's gold bowl in their hands, but they cannot go back across the river, and they cannot look at the face of the god. The god's gold eyes shine in this dark hole. We are his watchers.